Here's how to quickly select the right microphone in Audacity. So the first thing you need to do is come to this microphone icon here and select built-in microphone, and then choose the microphone you want to work with, okay? Once you have that, to check that the microphone is recording properly, click to start monitoring. Okay, you can see it's working. Let's test something out. This is me testing out the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. Okay, that works, and you can see the waveform is there. That's fine. But let's say we select another microphone and we want to test it out, but we receive an error message. What do? Click on Don't Send for a second. Then you go to Transport, Rescan Audio Devices, click on that, or you can create a shortcut as well for it. Once you do that, it should then recognize the microphone. So if I come back in here and select it, it should work. But let's do the click to start monitoring first. Okay, so now you can see that we're recording from this new microphone, the webcam microphone. Let's test it out. Testing, 1, 2. I'm recording with the FHD webcam. And that's how to select your microphone in Audacity. Give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if this tip helped you.